solving an equation where we have a fraction and we have to use the distributive property. So I have the 3/5 times quantity 5x minus 10 in parentheses equals 18. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the distributive property and distribute the 3/5 through. So it'll be 3/5 times 5x, and to make my life easier I'm going to write as 5x over 1 minus 3/5 times 10 over 1. Again, just to help myself with multiplying the fractions. On the right hand side is going to equal 18. Now when I multiply 3/5 times 5 over x, 5x over 1, the 5's will cancel and I'll just be left with 3x over 1, which is just 3x, minus 5 goes into 10 twice, 3 times 2 is 6. So 3x minus 6 equals 18. You know how to do that. You're going to add 6 to both sides because you want to isolate that 3x. Then we have 3x is equal to 3. I'm sorry, not 3. I think that's the next problem we're going to do. 3x is equal to 24. And how do we undo that operation there? Well, if I have 3x, I mean multiplication. The opposite of multiplication would be to divide. So we'll divide both sides by 3. And we will have x is equal to 8. So we get x is equal to 8 on our test. And now the last thing to do is make sure it's a good answer. So we're going to plug it right in and see what happens. And we'll just follow our order of operations, which you guys are already very good at. So we have 3/5, 5 times 8 minus 10 equals 18. Okay, so inside the parentheses, 5 times 8 is 40, minus 10 equals 18. Combine the 40 and the minus 10 to make 30. And we will be smart and write it 30 over 1 to help us with the multiplying by the fractions. Okay, 5 goes into 30 6 times. 3 times 6 is 18. And we have 18 equals 18, so good for us. It's all done. We've got all our points because we even went back and checked it.